Hello, would like to know how to distinguish between the old and new versions of the KemoveDK61 keyboard and install the appropriate drivers. This video will answer you from 6 aspects. Firstly, the old version is printed with a big windmill logo. The new version of the keyboard box is printed with the Kemove logo. Secondly, the product's manual. The old version is a card with a big windmill logo. The new version is a booklet with the Kemove logo. Thirdly, older versions of the S code have the letters Z or Y in them. Fourthly, the old version of the keycap has a side laser engraving process, while the new version uses an engraving silk screen. Fifthly, the old version of the keyboard only has more than 13 kinds of lighting effects. In addition, the old version of the lighting effects will have 4 letters of WASD always on. The new version of the keyboard comes with 19 kinds of lighting effects. Sixthly, the switch body of the new version has 5 supports, but the old version has 3 supports. Finally, after you judge the version of your keyboard according to the above information, you can go to our official website to download the correct driver. Hope these will help you to use the keyboard better.